Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn banner design in Adobe Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate LinkedIn banner design in Adobe Express, start by opening the Adobe Express app on your device. If you don't have the app, visit the Adobe Express website and sign in or create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the homepage. Type LinkedIn banner into the search bar and hit enter. You will see a selection of LinkedIn banner templates displayed. Browse through the templates to find one that fits your style. Click on your chosen template to open it in the editing workspace. On the right side, you'll see design options like text, images, and colors. To customize your banner, start by clicking on the text boxes to edit the text. Type your desired text, such as your name, job title, or a personal tagline. To change the font, highlight the text and choose a different font from the font menu. Adjust the font size and color to match your preferences. Next, to add or change images, click on the Photos option in the sidebar. You can either upload your own images or choose from Adobe's stock photo library. Once you select an image, drag it onto your banner and adjust its size and position. Use the background option to change the color or apply a background pattern. Make sure your design is balanced and eye-catching. After finishing your design, click the Download button in the upper right corner. Select the preferred file format, such as PNG or JPEG, for your LinkedIn banner. Once downloaded, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Click on the Edit button in the banner area of your profile. Upload your newly created LinkedIn banner from your device. Adjust the position if necessary, and make sure it looks good in the preview. Finally, save the changes to your LinkedIn profile. Your newly designed LinkedIn banner is now live for your connections to see. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.